In today's video, I'll teach you how to use Line app. So if you want to use the Line app, it is actually very simple. First of all, open the Line application on your device. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Line app has been opened. Make sure to create the account for yourself and log into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. In the home interface, you'll be able to see your groups. You'll also be able to see your friends over here. Likewise, you can also see the services like stickers, themes, etc. You can also search for the contact by tapping on the search bar. Now, once you do that, you'll be able to search for the contacts. You can simply search for the friends, chats, messages, etc. Also, you'll be able to access the chats. For that, tap on the chats option that you can see at bottom. After you do that, you'll be able to see all of your chats over here. You can simply tap on the chat of your choice and go ahead and message the person if you want. Likewise, you'll also be able to access the calls. Simply tap on the option calls that you can see at the bottom. After you do that, you'll be able to see all of your calls over here. If you want to add the friends, what you can do is tap on the add friends icon that you can see at top. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to add the friends. You can either invite your friends or you can also see your QR code and share it. Also, you'll be able to search for your contacts. You'll also be able to create a group. Likewise, if you want to see the notifications, tap on the notification icon that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be able to see all of your notifications over here. Likewise, you'll also be able to access the settings. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be able to see the settings over here. You can explore the settings options on your own. It is very simple. So like this, you'll be able to use this app. So that is how you use Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.